This is the quickest yet powerful Lightroom color grading tutorial you'll ever see. Let's get into it. Color grading doesn't always have to be complicated. Sometimes less is more. So here is a very quick yet effective color grading that works in every scenario, and I mean every scenario out there. Let me put you on some free game. So in Lightroom, what you're going to have to do is to do your basic adjustments first. The only thing I've done with this photograph is brighten it up. So this was the before and after, right? So I've just lifted the exposure up, highlights down, shadows up a bit. And that's all I've done for this picture. I'm going to go directly to the color grading tab because that's where the magic happens. Go to my shadows, set the hue of my shadows to 20. And I'm going to set the saturation to taste. For this one, I'm going to leave it at 10. I'm going to go straight to my highlights and set the hue to 186. So remember, 20 and 186. And I'm going to set the saturation to taste. Let's do about 20 for this one. And if you check the before and after, this is before and that's after. Before the color grade, that's after the color grade. Before everything and after everything. This is very effective and powerful, and this is what I did for all these pictures you see on the screen. I want you to try this out, play with the numbers, and you could even create your own style from it. You could use this as a finisher for when you've done all your edits, when you've done all your basic adjustments, or you could use this as the only color grade. It works great every time. Just a reminder, my YPC Lightroom presets are currently on sale for a limited time only, so check the link down below to download them for yourself and try them. You're gonna love them. Remember, I am Sir Angel and this is your Photo Chef. Stay creative, and as always, keep smiling. I'll see you in the next one.